How are you? I hope you and all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Here I am M. Shahabuddin, lecturer, Department of Biology, Milestone College, Uttara, Dhaka. Today I will discuss about the biology second paper for class 12, that means upcoming HSC examinee, and I will explain some sample creative questions and MCQ questions that you will faces the upcoming HSC exam. So dear students, let's go the main class. First of all, the creative question 1. Here the stem is Jaman cut his hand while cutting an apple. As a result, red liquid started coming out from the wound. There is a Y-shaped organic chemical substance that prevent the body from disease. So this is the stem, and here the sample questions are the question number A, what is anemia? Question number B, what is meant by cardiac cycle? Question number C, describe the clotting mechanism of the red liquid of Jamans. And the higher ability question number D, explain the function of the red liquid, mention the stem. Here answer of question number A, what is anemia? If the number of red blood cells per cubic millimeter of blood is less than 5 million, it is called anemia. I repeat this. If the number of red blood cells per cubic millimeter of blood is less than 5 million, it is called anemia. Question number B, what is meant by cardiac cycle? The rhythmic contraction and relaxation of heart is called heartbeat. A heartbeat has a number of consecutive phases that the totality of the phases of heartbeat is called cardiac cycle. When the body is at rest, the heart beats approximately 70 to 75 times per minute, and each cardiac cycle lasts for about 0.8 seconds. On average, a healthy heart pumps 60 to 70 ml of blood per second. Here the sample question C. Describe the clotting mechanism of red liquid of Jamans that was mentioned in the stem. Here the red liquid substances of Jaman is blood, and the clotting mechanism of the red liquid is the process of blood clotting mechanism or blood coagulation mechanism, a complex process by which the blood clots to block and then heal a cut and stop the bleedings. Blood coagulation is a complex series of events that requires exacting chemical balances. Total 13 proteins in the blood plasma. All coagulation factors or clotting factors respond in a complex cascade to form fibrin strands which strengthen the platelet flag. The process of coagulation. Number 1. Immediately after injury, vascular constriction occurs at injury site which limits the flow of blood to the area of injury. Coagulation of blood is initiated by the blood platelets. Number 2. At injury site, both injury tissues and platelets produce thromboplastin enzyme in presence of tissue factors, calcium ion. In presence of factor 12, factor 7, factor 8, 9, 10 and calcium, thromboplastin acts on plasma protein prothrombin, which then transform into active thrombin. The thrombin forms a temporary platelet flag at injury site. This thrombin react with plasma protein fibrinogen and transform it into an insoluble fiber-like structure, the fibrin monomer. Fibrin then forms an intact network of thread-like structure called fibrils or fibril polymer and causes the blood plasma to gel. Factor 13 is formed that links the fibrin strand together to strengthen the clot. The blood cells and plasma are immersed in the network of fibrils to form a clot. Thus, the complete of blood coagulation process, human coagulation times is usually 4 to 5 minutes. Here, you are watching the process of blood coagulation. You can draw this figure in your answer script. So next question number D, higher ability type question. Explain the functions of the red liquid mentioned in the stem. Dear student, the red liquid substance of German is blood. So you will discuss the functions of blood in this question. I just read the main points. The function of bloods. Number 1, transportation of respiratory gases, distribution of food, then transmission of hormones, removal of waste products, equalization of temperature, prevention of desiccation, then defense against germs invasion, clotting and healing the wounds, chemical deliberation, retain homeostasis, pH control. You will describe in this question at least minimum 8 functions of blood. So you can write this from your book. Thus you will get a good number in this higher ability type question. The creative question number 2, the stem is, our heart is controlled by some valves and nodes. I repeat this, our heart is controlled by some valves and nodes. Here the samples questions are: number A, what is columni corni? Number 2 or B, write down the functions of lymph. Number C, describe the valves which seated the stem. And number D, explain the process of blood circulation through the organ mentioned in the stem. So dear students, what will be the answer of this question? Number A, what is columni corni? The muscular ridges or columns projecting from the inner walls of the heart ventricles called columni corni. The question number B, write down the functions of lymph. Here, lymph is a pale fluid that contains white blood cell and that through channels in the body and helps to keep bodily tissue healthy. Dear students, when you will answer these types of question, first of all you have to write the definition of these topics and then you will describe the function of this agenda or topics. Next on the functions of lymph. Lymph acts as a mediator which transport oxygen, food materials, hormone, etc. The lymph transport antigen presenting cells, that was the APCS, such as dendritic cells, to the lymph nodes where an immune response is stimulated. It transports white blood cells to and from the lymph nodes into the bones. It destroys the invading microorganisms and foreign particles in the lymph nodes. Next on the question number C, describe the valves which seated the stem. Dear students, the mentioned organ of the heart of the stem is heart. I repeat this, the mentioned organ of the stem is human heart. Different orifices or openings of the heart guarded by valves. All valves of the heart prevent backflow of the blood. So in here you will describe the hearts of human, the valves of human hearts. The following four valves are found in human heart. Number one, bicuspid or mitral valve. The bicuspid valve or mitral valve or left atrioventricular valve is a dual flap valve in the heart that lies between the left atrium and the left ventricle. The mitral valve is typically 4 to 6 square centimeter in area. It has usually two leaflets or flaps. Here, the tricuspid valve or right atrioventricular valve is on the right dorsal side of the heart between the atrium and the right ventricle. The normal area of the tricuspid valve is 7 to 9 centimeter, making it the largest the four cardiac valves. The tricuspid valve usually has three leaflets or flaps which are connected to the papillary muscles of ventricle by chordae tendineae. Number 3. Aortic valves. The aortic valve is semilunar valve in the heart between the left ventricle and the systemic aorta. The aortic valve normally has three cusps or leaflets, although in 1 to 2% of population it is found to congenitally have two leaflets. Number 4. Pulmonary valve. The pulmonary valve is the semilunar valve of the heart that lies between the right ventricle and the pulmonary artery, has three cusps. The other valves, those who are available in the human heart, such as Eustachian valve. The Eustachian valve is a venous valve that lies at the junction of the Sciure vena cava and right atrium. Thebesian valve. The Thebesian valve is a remnant of the embryonic sinoatrial valve. It is usually a semicircular fold of membrane in the right atrium at the orifice of the coronary sinus. Dear students, here you are watching a level diagram or figure that shows the TS of human heart valves. You will draw this figure in this question when you will answering this in the question, and thus you will get the full marks in this question. Here the question number D. Explain the process of blood circulation through the organ mentioned in the stem. The mentioned organ in the stem is heart. I think you understand already. The mentioned organ in the stem is heart. Heart is the central receiving and pumping organ of the circulatory system. The heart pumps 5 to 7 liters per minute, around the 7,600 liters of the blood every day, and beats nearly 1 lakh times per day. Due to its constant rhythmic contraction, relaxation, blood can flow throughout the body. The contraction and relaxation of the heart termed as systole and diastole respectively. The human heart has two routes through which blood passes, lung and out of the heart. These types of circulation called the double circuit circulation. Okay, dear students, this will you will face this question as a knowledge based question. What is double circuit circulation? The type of circulatory system in which the blood passes through the heart twice before completing a full circuit of the body is called double circuit circulation, and it is found in amphibians, birds and mammals. Okay, during blood circulation, the right and left side of the heart work together. The pattern described below is repeated over and over, causing blood to flow continuously to the heart, lungs and the body. Here the events of right side of the heart. Number 1, blood enters the heart through the large veins, the inferior and superior vena cava, emptying oxygen poor blood from the body into the right atrium of the heart. Number 2, as the atrium contracts, blood flows from the right atrium into the right ventricle through the open tricuspid valve. Number 3, when the ventricle is full, the tricuspid valve shuts, that prevents blood from flowing backward into the atria while the ventricle contracts. As the ventricle contracts, blood leaves the heart through the pulmonic valve into the pulmonary artery and to the lungs where it is oxygenated. So dear students, now we describe the events of the left side of the heart. Before this, we are watching a figure where the double circuit circulation of human heart are shown and the blood circulated through the heart are showing in this figure. You will draw this figure when you will answer this question. Now the events of left side of the heart. Number 1, pulmonary vein empties oxygen rich blood from the lungs into the left atrium of the heart. Number 2, as the atrium contracts, blood flows from the left atrium into the left ventricle through the open mitral valve. When the ventricle is full, the mitral valve shuts, the prevents blood from flowing backward into the atrium while the ventricle contracts. Number 4, as the ventricle contracts, blood leaves the heart through the aortic valve into the systemic aorta and to the body. The creative question number 3 and the last creative question from today's class. Here you are watching two round organ. One is L and another one is K. L is representing a surrounded by pleura and K is representing a surrounded by pericardium. So the sample questions are: number 1 or A, what is blood? Number B, which wall of the right and left ventricle is more thick and why? Question number C, draw a longitudinal section, that means LS, with level diagram of organ K mentioned in the stem. Number D, a special types of cycle happens at the organ K mentioned in the stem. Analyze this question. First of all, question number A, what is blood? Blood is the special types of fluid connective tissue which is an opaque, dense, red in color, slightly alkaline and produces from embryonic mesoderm. I repeat this. Blood is the special types of fluid connective tissue which is an opaque, dense, red in color, slightly alkaline and produces from embryonic mesoderm. Question number B, which wall of the right and left ventricle is more thick and why? This is the most important comprehension based question from this chapter. Here the left ventricle does have a thicker wall than right ventricle of heart. This is because the right ventricle only pumps blood into the lungs which are close by the present little resistance to the blood flow. On the other hand, the left ventricle pumps blood to the rest of the body where the resistance to blood flow is considerably higher. Consequently, the left ventricle works harder than the right ventricle to maintain the same blood flow rate. This difference in the workload affects as the anatomy of ventricular walls. The muscular walls of the left ventricle are being significantly thicker than that of the right ventricle. Here the question number C, draw a longitudinal section or LS with level diagram of organ K mentioned in the stem. Dear student, I think already you have understand what is the organ of K in the stem. the mentioned organ of the stem K is human heart. And in this question, you will draw a label diagram of LS of human heart. You are showing a figure in here, the LS of human heart. In this question, you will draw this figure properly, and you should labeled properly, and then thus you will get the full marks from this question. Next one, the question of D. A special types of cycle happens at the organ mentioned K in the stem. The special types of cycle happens at the organ K or human heart is cardiac cycle. The rhythmic contraction and relaxation of heart is called heartbeat. I repeat this. The rhythmic contraction and relaxation of heart is called heartbeat. A heartbeat has a number of consecutive phases. The totality of the phases of heartbeat is called cardiac cycle. In other words, a complete contraction and relaxation of the heart in a single heartbeat, also called as cardiac cycle. When the body is at rest, the heart beats approximately 72 from 75 times per minute, and each cardiac cycle lasts for about 0.8 seconds. On average, a healthy heart pumps 60 to 70 ml of blood per second. A cardiac cycle is completed by following 4 stages. Number 1, in other Number 1, atrial diastole. At this time, both right and left auricles are relaxed. The atrioventricular valves remain closed. Deoxygenated blood from the superior and inferior vena cava flows into the right atrium, and oxygenated blood from the pulmonary vein flows into the left atrium. Auricles are filled with blood within 0.7 seconds and at once start atrial systole. Number 2, before learn number 2, you are watching a label diagram of different stages of cardiac cycle. You will draw this figure in when you will answer this question. Dear students, the figure, different stages of cardiac cycle. Number 3, ventricular systole. During atrial systole, ventricles are filled with blood and almost immediately the ventricles contract. It raises the blood pressure of ventricles and close the atrioventricular valves, preventing blood from returning to the atria. The semilunar valves open as the blood rushes into the arteries from the ventricles. This stage takes the time 0.3 seconds. Number 4, ventricular diastole. Ventricular diastole follows ventricular diastole at once. The auriculoventricular valves open and blood flows into the ventricles. During this time, the semilunar valves come close to prevent backflow of the blood from the arteries with high blood pressure. This stage takes the time 0.5 seconds. During ventricular systole, closing of bicuspid and tricuspid valves create the first sound of heartbeat. This is lub. And during ventricular diastole, closing of semilunar valves create the second sound of heartbeat is dub. A heartbeat or cardiac cycle consists of on systole and diastole with the duration of 0.8 seconds. Heartbeat continuously produces the sound complex by lub dub within our heart. So dear students, this is the MCQ types question or sample objective question from chapter 4 blood and circulation. Here I cannot provide you the answer of MCQ. You will collect from your books or textbooks, and if you will faces any kinds of problems, you will contact with your subject teacher and he or she will solve your problem. So the MCQ questions, number 1 is who is corpuscle of the blood produced antibody. Here the options are neutrophils, eosinophils, basophil, lymphocytes. Number 2, the heartbeat in human initiated by which organ. Here the options are Purkinje fiber, SA node, eosinophils, AV node. Question number 3, where does coronary artery transport blood? Dear students, where does coronary artery transport blood? Here the options are liver, kidney, heart and lungs. Question number 4, the pH value of human blood is, the options are 5.35 to 5.45 and 7.35 to 7.45, 6.32 to 6.45, 8.35 to 8.45. You will collect this answer from your textbook surely. Question number 5, which of the following is not the plasma protein? I repeat this, which of the following is not the plasma protein? Options number A albumin, B 5-rinogen, C cytochrome C, D creatinine. Question number 6, which cells creates and secretes heparin? Here the 4 options: lymphocyte, monocyte, basophil or neutrophil. You will collect this question, answer of this question from your textbook. Question number 7, which primary test is taken for diagnosis of heart disease? Here the options are angiogram, lipid profile, ECG, ETT, etc. Question number 8, the causes of use pacemaker is. Here the options are available. You will collect or you will learn this question, answer of this question from your textbook. Here a stem is given and you will answer the question 9 and 10 from this stem. Blood flows to pulmonary and systemic aorta due to closing of tricuspid and bicuspid valve. Question number 9, which one is the correct of the following on accordance with above stem? Option number A diastole of auricle, option B systole of auricle, option C systole of ventricle, option D diastole of ventricle. Okay, and the last question, question number 10 from this stem, valves mentioned in the stem close due to systole of auricles, diastole of auricles, systole of ventricles. You and all learn this question from your textbook, and I repeat the same types of discussion in the next another class. I hope you and all are watch this class carefully, that you will benefit from this class. So dear students, no more today. Thanks to all. Allah Hafiz.